How to find winning products on CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping Product Research Tutorial. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to find winning products on CJ Dropshipping, where you will find them, and what sort of information you should be looking out for to identify whether this product is really good. So first things first, as you can see on our screen, we are currently in CJ Dropshipping's homepage, where you will be able to see all the different sections and all the different products just like over here. So the first thing that you're going to look for is the banner. As you can see here on our screen right now, over here on the top, you will be able to see the banner of CJ Dropshipping. Now, why is the banner important? Because the banner will contain featured products and featured events in CJ Dropshipping, meaning there will be some sort of promo and some discounts with featured products such as these ones over here. The first photo that we saw earlier, the first banner, is Valentine's Day. Now, this is in the banner because one of the holidays coming up right now, one of the biggest holidays is Valentine's Day. So a lot of products over here will be really great and very good for reselling from CJ Dropshipping. So you can check it out by simply selecting the banner, and you will be redirected to another page where you will be able to see groups of items that are related to Happy Valentine's Day or Valentine's Day. And majority of these products are really good and good products to sell, of course. But of course, this will only depend on a seasonal holiday. So after a while, these will no longer be that relevant, although it's still going to sell for a bit, but it's not going to sell as much as we want it to. So as you can see here, there will be a lot of different products over here. So the second thing or the different things that you should be looking out for example, view a product that you are interested in. So for example, the first one over here, let's actually view it. And the different things that you're going to look out for if you want to identify or to be able to identify that it is a really good product is that check out the product price over here. As you can see, we have a product price of $6.43 to $7.35 as you can see here. So that's our product price, and you could identify whether it's a good deal by checking out over here. There will be some RRP over here where it will calculate how much profit you will be able to get. So as you can see here, an estimated profit for us if we start to resell this is 1,023%. So that's a really good profit based on the previous price over here, and it has been updated to this product price over here. And you could also check out colors with products that has a lot of variations is actually pretty good as well, because your customers will have a lot of different items to choose from. So the more variety, the better, because the higher chance that the customer might be able to find a specific style that they want. And the second thing that you should be looking out for is the shipping fee. Of course, each product are from different places. For example, this product over here may not be delivered or released from the same place than this product over here. So there will be some difference in the shipping fee. So for example, for this product, this is going to cost us $11.44. But for other products, maybe it will just cost $5 because it depends on their location. There will also be some service fee, as you can see, and there will be a total price here. So you should compare and check out the different shipping fees that you will be able to encounter. And the good thing about this as well is that you will be able to check out like the estimated process time over here as well. And aside from that, you will be able to check out where it will be shipped from. Maybe you have a preference on where it would be shipped from, but of course, for example, in China warehouse, there will be some certain disadvantage to this. For example, you're from a country outside of China, so the delivery time will of course take a longer time because it's from China. So the farther away you are from China, the longer the shipping will take. So you might be able to get a very good profit, a very good price, but the place it will be shipping from is a bit far, so the shipping fee will be high and the delivery time will be high. So it's not really going to be a preferable product. So As you can see here, 20 to 90 day delivery fee. So that's a very long time and not really something you wish to have. So you can check out other products as well. Now, aside from the banner, there's also other places for you to check out different products. So, for example, over here, trending products. Now, it is called trending because these are products that are currently trending and a lot of people are buying. So we could check out if these products are really good as well. Same thing with the process earlier. Let's view our trending products right now and let's check out the different things that we will be able to see here. So, for example, we could check out this 3D knife over here that we could check out, 3D printing gravity cloud. As you can see, the product price is $0.62 to $3.26. Our estimated profit is $649, which is really good. There's a lot of variations over here, different styles, so there will be a lot of items that people could choose from. And over here, the shipping fee, it's not going to cost much. As you can see, it's only going to cost $3.76 or a total price of $5.24. But this will change, by the way, if you input different locations over here, like shipping to, for example, let's go to shipping to Philippines. There we go. Let's find there, Philippines. And as you can see, the price will vary and change depending on where you are, of course, and the platform as well. The platform can be very important as well. And you can also change the shipping method over here. There will be different ratings and different fees for each shipping over here. So you could choose from that as well. And as you can see, the faster it is, like for example, CJ Packet Asia Driving or Ordinary, it will have a 4 to 15 day delivery time. So this is a really good product. It's already cheap. The shipping fee is not that much. There will be only 15-day delivery fee as maximum. And there's a pretty good rating right now. There's a lot of information. So this can be considered as a great product. So aside from that, there's also other sections. Aside from the trending and the banner, you can also check out some CJ Super Deals, hot selling categories, brand section, and many more. There's a lot of categories over here that you could explore. There's also fast shipping over here. Maybe you want to check out products in fast shipping. Fast shipping is very good because, of course, people will be able to get their products earlier. So there's a lot of sections that you could check out. So those are the basic things that you should look out for, the things that you should check. The price, of course, the estimated profit, the delivery fee, and like the shipping fee, because of course maybe the product would cost very cheap but the shipping fee will be very expensive and then you didn't notice that would cause you a very big problem because of course you will no longer be getting a lot of revenue back. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.